Right here, I have a report on the honey badger. Now, the honey badger is a bad animal. So, of course, I want to do a report on him. But after I went to the San Diego Zoo website, I realized that the honey badger is not the real name of the animal, the scientific name. If you notice right here, the honey badger is part of the weasel family, related to skunks, otters, ferrets, and other badgers. Its proper name is Ratel. So I'm like, I need to go through my entire report and replace every single time it says honey badger with Ratel? No, you don't. Don't even think about it. The best way to do it is this. Simply go up to Edit, go to Find, because when you get into high school, you're going to have big reports, and if you made a mistake on one word all the way through, all you have to do is this. If you made a mistake on like the location of somewhere and you said it was somewhere else, you don't want to go back through the 15-page report, just go to Find, Edit, Find, Replace. Right here, I'm going to type in every word, the word I want it to find, honey badger. And look, it has a multitude of hits. And I want to replace it with Ratel. Still bad man. Go ahead and hit replace all. And every single time it mentions Ratel, every time it mentioned honey badger, it has supplanted it with Ratel. Just replaced it. So in some locations it's not going to be appropriate because, for instance, this second line right here, its proper name is Ratel, but it gets the common name of Ratel. That doesn't make any sense. So you might have to, like any time, you're going to have to review your report just to make sure everything is coherent. Now the next thing, if I've got my report, I want, since it's a couple pages, I'm going to put in a header and a footer, and the footers are going to denote the page numbers, so in consecutive order, and the header is going to appear on every page, just indicating what the title of the paper is. So for you guys, going to go up here. It's on your View menu, and go to Header and Footer. Now I'm clicked in my header. I could simply type in Ratel report, and then maybe if I wanted to hit return, I could type in Mr. Houck, and then double click. Now I've got it on there. I don't like it on the left hand side, so I'm going to simply highlight it, move it over, align it to the right. There you go. It's a little less intrusive that way, or less flagrant. I don't know what you would say. Okay, so it appears on every single page. That's good, but I have yet to number my pages, and I like my personal preference is to have my page numbers at the bottom. So let's go down here, click right here, and for you guys, it should be under, let's do header and footer. Actually, let's go do that one more time, header and footer, down here. Your options are gonna be a little different than the options that I have right now. So I'm gonna go to page number. So most of you will have an updated version of Microsoft, so you won't have to worry about what we have at school, which we're going to eventually get a more updated version. So right here, I just clicked on, from header and footer, clicked on page number. It's telling me right here that the page number is going to be at the bottom on the footer, and it's going to be aligned to the right hand side, and then I get a little preview of it in this document right here. Hit OK, and double click into the blank space. There it is, 1 and 2. Nice. Okay, so that is just a little tutorial on using the find and replace keys, as well as putting in a header and a footer.